In this lesson, we will learn what is SEO. You will have a clear understanding of what is SEO so you can make your own definition with your own words after watching this video. Because I'm not going to go the traditional way of explaining SEO with the textbook definition, because I believe in explaining the concept of it so you can make your own definition of SEO. What is SEO? So let's forget about all this internet search engine and everything. There is a shopping mall. It has 100 floors, and any person who is coming into that shopping mall is looking to buy dress. And this shopping mall has 100 floor, and each floor has 10 shops, and every shop is either selling dresses or talking about dresses or anything to do with dresses only. So what happens is, when a person comes into the shopping mall, there is no lift or no elevator. So the person comes into this particular shopping mall to do something related with dresses. He can be looking to buy dresses or learn about dresses or anything to do with dresses. So what happens is, he comes into the shopping mall, he will go to the first shop, second shop, likewise until his or her needs are met. He will be keep on going into the shop. So when his needs are met, he will automatically left out with that shopping mall. So let's imagine if you are having a business or shop selling the same dress, but you are in 4th pages, 10th pages, 50th pages, even 100 pages. That person, the business, even though you are selling the same products at a better deal, better quality or anything like that, that person is never going to meet you. So when they didn't meet you, you basically missed out on that sale or the order. So that is what SEO does. When we apply SEO in this case, automatically the business which is on the higher number of floor, we are bringing that particular shop into the ground floor. We are bringing that shop into the ground floor, and we are trying to make that shop as the first shop in the ground floor. So any person who comes into the shopping mall will be ideally visiting you first. So that is what SEO does. Now let us come into the real world, where search engine optimization, or short form is SEO, is a process of improving or optimizing our website or our property in search engine. Can be any search engines like Google, Bing, AI search engines like ChatGPT, Gemini, or social media search engines like Facebook, Instagram. Any search engine where when we use a performance search, it will automatically go and look into the database and will analyze the already available data, and it will rank those websites to the top. So search engine optimization is process where we will start applying this SEO to our business or website to make our website or business top positions when our target customer searches for it in these search engines. So I think I made it clear. Let me go one step beyond. I will try to show an example here. So think this as a search engine. Can be any search engine, but in this case think it as a Google search engine. So I am a SEO guy. My business is to sell SEO services, and my target customers are people who are in Coimbatore. So what I would love to happen is, they come into Google and they search for something like SEO expert in Coimbatore or SEO service in Coimbatore. We will learn about finding these keywords, but just imagine, I personally would love to see any person who types into SEO expert in Coimbatore to see my website on the top position. But when we search now, you can see there are so many websites ranking on the search engine, but my website is also there, but it is buried in search results. It can be anywhere from 2nd page to 100 pages, because most people are not going to go after the first page. Even after first 3 results, any person is going to 4th, 5th is very unlikely. So we should be ranking here. So when I'm ranked like in 100 position and everything, I'm not going to get this particular customer for me. So my goal with SEO will be, I will do SEO, and when I do a proper SEO with proper learning, the goal is to bring that website which was not ranking or which was ranking very low on the searches to the top position. So that is what SEO does. So it's going to be like when person types this particular search query, when I do SEO and when I do it correctly, my website or my web page will be the top ranked web page for year. So organically, when my website is ranked top, I'm more likely to get that customer coming to my website and likely to try to convert him as a customer. So that is what SEO. Now with this lesson, I hope you have a clear understanding of what is SEO, because you have all the knowledge right now. So if everything is clear, do let me know in the comment, or if you still have any doubt, do let me know. I will also have a small quiz linked in the description, so you can check out and understanding of what is SEO. Now in the next lesson, we will start learning all the benefits of search engine optimization.